Baked and spiced. Some food tastes really good when they are highly flavored and baked, and one of them is the tandoori preparation. Hello everyone and welcome to All Lite Food, and today I'm going to share the tandoori cauliflower, which is a very delicious vegetarian recipe. So let's make it. So to make the recipe, first I'm going to marinate the cauliflower, and here is the cauliflower. I'm going to cut them into big pieces or just remove the florets from its stem. And then I'm going to keep the florets in a big bowl. So I've cut the cauliflowers into big pieces, and now I'm going to add flavors into this. I will start with yogurt, and for this recipe here I'm using the Greek yogurt. The Greek yogurt is thick, so you can also use hung curd. The curd will give the recipe a tangy taste and also a thin layer that will hold the spices while doing the marination. So I will add the curd. So next here I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt, white salt. Then half a teaspoon of black salt. The black salt is going to give it a nice taste. Then half a tablespoon of ginger. And half a teaspoon of garlic. Then half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then half a tablespoon of coriander powder. This is going to give it a nice coat. And then half a tablespoon of red chili powder. Use paprika or Kashmiri red chili powder for that nice red color. And finally I will add half a tablespoon of mustard oil and 2 teaspoons of tandoori powder. The tandoori powder will give it a nice street style taste, and use the pre-made one or homemade one, whatever you prefer. Now I will mix all the ingredients nicely. So now I have already marinated the cauliflowers, and now I'm going to put it on the baking rack. As we are not using any kind of meat in this recipe, I'm just going to immediately put them for baking instead of letting them to sit in the marination for longer time. So first what we will do is grease the baking trays and put the cauliflowers on them. So now I'm going to bake this on 380 degree Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. The tandoori cauliflower is ready and is looking so good and delicious. I'll do a simple garnish with some sliced onions, a little bit of lemon juice on the top, and then I will spray a little bit of butter, and this is going to make it even more tasty. That looks amazing. Now cauliflower is a versatile vegetable, and you can just make any kind of recipe from this cruciferous veggie. Western, Indo-Chinese or Indian. You can just make a simple snack or go for main course. It will equally taste good in every kind of cuisine. Now let me take a bite from this tandoori cauliflower and tell you how does this taste. The taste is very yummy. You have to make the recipe and let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. This is a great vegetarian substitute, simple to make and of course light and healthy. So thank you so much for watching All Lite Food. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. And I shall see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. For food and health related articles, please visit my website at www.alllitefood.com, and you can also connect with me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.